Vivo X200 Pro Review, Redefining Flagship Excellence. The Vivo X200 Pro is here to set new benchmarks in smartphone photography, performance, and design. Co-engineered with ZEISS and powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400, this flagship device combines cutting-edge imaging, a robust battery, and AI-driven features for an unparalleled experience. Key highlights. 1. ZEISS co-engineered camera system. The X200 Pro boasts India's first 200MP ZEISS APO Telephoto Camera, delivering unmatched clarity and color accuracy. Key camera features. 200MP telephoto lens, 85mm focal length, CIPA 4.5 stabilization. 50MP main camera, Sony LYT-818 sensor, 400% improved HDR. 50MP ultrawide lens, 15mm, autofocus. ZEISS T Coating for reduced glare and true-to-life colors. Super landscape mode for professional-grade scenic shots. 20x hyper zoom with minimal quality loss. 2. MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus V3 Plus imaging chip. 3 nm TSMC process for 28% faster CPU and 41% better GPU efficiency. Dual chip design, Dimensity 9400 Plus V3 Plus, for seamless multitasking. 6 nm V3 Plus imaging chip enhances computational photography. 3. Exceptional battery and durability. 6000 mAh semi-solid state battery, India's first, works even at -20 degrees Celsius. 90 watts flash charge for rapid power-ups. IP68 and IP69 water/dust resistance. Armor glass, 11x more drop resistant. 4. ZEISS Master Color Display. 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED, 0.1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh. 4500 nits peak brightness, 2160 Hz PWM dimming. Cinematic Dolby Vision HDR, 4K 60 FPS video. 5. AI and productivity features. FunTouch OS 15 with smoother performance. Live call translation, real-time multilingual support. AI Photo Enhance and AI Erase for flawless edits. Circle to Search, Google-powered visual search. Design, elegance meets durability. The quad curved display and titanium gray/cosmos black finishes exude premium craftsmanship, while IP68 IP69 ensures resilience against harsh conditions. Final verdict. The Vivo X200 Pro is a powerhouse for photographers, gamers, and professionals, blending ZEISS optics, Dimensity 9400 speed, and all-day endurance. Whether you're capturing distant landscapes or editing 4K videos, this phone delivers flagship excellence in every aspect.